Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to send money with TransferWise. So all you have to do is to simply go to any web browser and type wise.com, and this is what it looks like. Now we have here options like login, register, send money now, open an account. Now if you have an existing account, all you have to do is to tap this login. If you don't have, tap this register. So they just need your email address. Here you just have to answer this to verify yourself that you're 100% human. What kind of account would you like to open today? You have two options, personal account and business account. Since this is just a tutorial, so I will be using this personal account. And then where do you live most of the time? Okay, you just have to select your country here. Choose your country by tapping this arrow facing down. Verify your phone number with a code. This should be correct because they will send a code to your phone number in order for you to verify your account. So type your 6-digit code here. And then once you're done, all you have to do is just simply tap submit. Okay, so once done, you can now use your Wise account. So we have lots of options here, but in order for you to send money, you just have to tap the send money here at the top left corner. And then we have options like international or same currency. For international, you can just simply search for your country here. Okay. And then just type the amount. And also, you should do the same thing with your recipient here. Okay, so you have option if you want this or select any payment methods here. Bank, wire, and international wire. We have your total amount convert. And for recipient, you just have to tap the country also. And then this is the expected amount. This should be or this should arrive by Friday. And then once you're done, all you have to do is to click continue. Now for same currency, you just have to enter the amount and that's it. Then you can see here the recipient. Okay, so once you're done, click continue. Okay, so for recipient, who's your recipient, you can type the name or email address or phone number if they are new. But if they are, recent recipient, you just have to tap any of the options below. So if this person or if you send money to this person before, you just have to type the email. If this person is new recipient, you just have to type new recipient, enter their account details here, bank details, account number, and so on. So once you type or enter the account details of the recipient, all you have to do is just simply click submit below. And then here it is. You just have to review after that. So what's the reason for a transfer? It's up to you. Click continue. Now here it is. You have to review the details of your transfer before you proceed. Okay, because once you proceed as one, then it will automatically be sent to the recipient. So once you click this confirm and continue, then all they need to do is to ask for your payment method, and that's it. The money will be sent to the recipient. And if you find this video helpful, please like. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.